Those are difficult films in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years.
Una donna emancipata è una donna che lavora. I went to America when I was terribly young. I was 22 years old when I went to America for the first time. So I had to learn a lot of things. And I had to adjust myself to whatever they were doing.
You sound very tense, my love. Turn round. Why don't you let the water run down your back? It soothes the nerves.
I don't think it would.
And I tried to absorb from them their own method. And then at the end of it, when I was making my films, at the end of the film, the crew looked like an Italian crew because they just followed me everywhere in whatever I was doing. So.
Non ti voltare a non guardare. Sono io, Sergio. Il tuo Sergio. Quanto tempo è passato.
Professionally, we kind of were born together. There is always a kind of feeling that maybe one day we're going to find a good story for both of us, and maybe one day we're going to do it. I've always worked in my life, and I always worked in a way that I always felt like a man, so with great responsibilities and great things.
Ma ti avessi visto mai una lacrima in quegli occhi? In tutti questi anni non ti ho vista mai piangere. Mai!
E dovevo piangere per te. Ero troppo bello mobile.
If this gives me the license to be a feminist, then I am a feminist. I don't know. I like myself, inside and out.